If you want to make $30 for free per photo you make for free, this is the method, this is the video that you have to watch right now. I'm going to reveal a very easy way that you can use with ease, and it's free to use, and you can make money with this very easily. So all you have to do, just without wasting any more time of you, I'm going to show you the website that I'm able to use. It's called flaticon.com. Yes, it's flaticon.com. This is the image database, image and icon and stickers database that has more than 6 million vector image and icons, and you can see that this site has lots of icons. So you like emojis, like you definitely like emojis. We tap on emojis every single day in our social life. We use Facebook, we use Twitter, we use Instagram, we use emojis, and we tap on it, and we like those emojis. We express our emotions with emojis every single day. So why not making money with those? Yes, we are going to make money with these emojis. In this video, I'm going to reveal how easy and free it is to make money with this emoji, and we are going to use flat icon. Flat icon is going to help us make money, and we can create those images. We do not need to have a graphical expertise, we do not need to be a graphics designer as well, but if you are, you will make money from flat icon as well as a graphic designer. But we are not required as a graphic designer in this method to earn money. So we just head on over, you can see, you can browse through all those emojis, you can if you want, but we are scroll down and we look for the help sections out there. Here we can see that there is a pattern generator out there, but before we do that, we need to register. So if you just click on register, it will show simple prompts like this. You can create account with your Google account or Facebook account, and also you can use your email or username and hit sign up, and you're good to go with this. So all it takes is just simply head on over to help sections and click on pattern generator. And if you just click on pattern generator, it will show something like this, and it will show that there is a try now button. But if you just simply see this image, this is the image we're going to make. Yes, it's easy, just simply stay with me. It's a very popular system, popular pattern, and this is the pattern generator. So if we just click on right now, it will show the editor window of flat icon, and you can just simply use this editor and make patterns, emoji patterns. Yes, this is very popular on our social medias right now. So all it takes is just simply hit on search, and you can see that you can browse through all the icons here, and it's all very free to use. Some are paid, some are free, but definitely most of them are free. And you can just simply click on like anything, like if I just search by writing money, and I click on icons, you can see that all the icons and emojis related to my search keyword are there present at the moment. And you can see it's loading, and definitely these are the icons. If you just click on it, it will add it to your canvas, and it will generate you a pattern, and definitely you can use it. But here there is an easy way, easy process. Right now I'm going to show you. There is a magic button here. If you just look closely in the bottom left corner, you can see that there is a random pattern button here. If you just click on it, and boom, you just give it just make a random pattern from the icons that I have just searched in. And you can see that if I just click on it again, and it will load another pattern and generated for me. It's very easy. If I just click it on again, it will generate me again. Once again I get an image, and I can sell it without any problem. Yes, definitely just wait and watch how cool it is. I can also change the background. If you just click on background, and if you can simply change the background as it is, you can see this is how cool it is. It looks how cool. And if you just click on every image, you can just simply resize it, rotate it, and you can make anything, any change you like with these images. And this looks already super cool. You can see I already rotating and changing the size and pattern, and you will make the image in within seconds and within minutes. You can make these type of patterns, and these type of patterns are really popular nowadays in social media. So all it takes is just simply make these images. You can search it on Google, some like icon image patterns or emoji patterns, or also you can go over to their freelancer marketplaces and see how people are making patterns, and you can get some ideas and you make it easily in flat icon editors panel. And you, when you're satisfied with your image, you just simply download it by just a bottom left corner. You just click this download button, and you can just download it as a png, jpgs, svg, p64, any formats you like. Just make sure your image size is 700 by 350, and you just click on download pattern, and your image will be downloaded to your pc. This is the first part. So how we are going to sell this image? Yes, this is very easy. We are going to head on over to 99designs.com. Yes, this is the designer marketplace. All the designers around the world are making money selling their designs in this website. So this is a really popular website. But before, we have to sign up before we submit our works here. So we click on sign up. This will show up, and it will show that you have to apply now. So click on apply now, and these forms will show up. You just click I am a designer, simply fill in your details and capture and hit sign up, then you're good to go. Then if you just look closely down below, if I just scroll and see this type of image, you can see these type of images are really popular, and you can see already you can make this image, and this type of images are really good to sell, and in this platform as well, and in other marketplace as well. So all it takes, it's in within minutes. You can see within minutes you can just create this type of similar patterns from these websites. Very easy, and it's free for free. No matter what, you can just go over there and upload your designs on 99 designs, and definitely this is a popular site, popular marketplace, and people will going to love your design, and definitely you will get sold sooner or later. And definitely you can scale up your earning if you just move on to other freelancer platforms like Fiverr. And if you just go over Fiverr and search for like pattern designs there, you can see that their competitions are very less right now, and people's all over the countries in Fiverr making money by creating patterns. You can see, you can simply, it looks complicated, but if you look closely, you can see that these patterns are really easy to make. You can make it in here. So definitely this is a good earning opportunity. You can see that people are asking for $5, $10, $20, $40, $80. Even you can see, even if you can scroll down, people are pros here already making, asking for $200 works, and this is really awesome. $500 work, but you do not need you will get that level sooner or later. But you just start like $5, $10, $30 is easy to make. You can make $30 very easily by designing this type of simple pattern designs. You can see people are making $15. You can design this method within minutes in flat icon. So definitely opportunity is limitless. You can see that every persons who are selling patterns here are making money, making sales. You can see that they are making sales. Every persons are making sales. So if you just start right now, there's a good chance you will also get to the zone where you make money, and you just simply need one or two orders and you are good to go to your financial freedom. So all it takes is just simply go over to flat icon, design your icon, and sell it on 99 designs and other marketplace like Fiverr. So you have to be active, then money will definitely follow you. So if you're liking this method, please press the like button, and if you want more make money online methods like this, go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you always get notified on my latest videos every day. So till then, see you in the next video. Stay well and thanks for watching.